In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use CostMiner's reporting features. We'll walk through the essential steps to make the most of CostMiner for your construction estimating and takeoff needs. CostMiner is a powerful tool that helps streamline your workflow, and mastering its reporting features will significantly enhance your efficiency and accuracy. Let's get started by going through this process. First, open your web browser and navigate to the CostMiner website. You'll find that CostMiner not only offers a comprehensive suite for construction estimating and takeoff, but also provides an intuitive interface to manage your projects seamlessly. Once you're on the home page, locate the Login button. This is usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. Click on Log In to CostMiner to enter your credentials and access your dashboard. Upon successful login, you'll be brought to your main project listing. Here, you'll see an overview of the projects you're currently managing. Select the project you want to work on by clicking on its name. This step is vital as it ensures you're accessing the correct data and tools associated with that particular project. If you haven't completed your takeoff process yet, make sure to do so beforehand, as running an accurate report relies on this data being up to date. With the takeoff process completed, you're now ready to generate a report. On your project dashboard, look for the Reports button, which is typically situated on the top navigation bar or the side menu of your page. Clicking on Reports will direct you to a section where you can access all available reports associated with your project. Next, you'll want to click on Rate Breakdown. This option is crucial because it provides a detailed breakdown of costs per item, allowing you to have a clear understanding of where resources are being allocated. It's an invaluable feature for ensuring transparency with clients and stakeholders and for keeping track of project expenses. Once you have your rate breakdown in front of you, you might need to share or further analyze the data. This is where the Export feature comes into play. To export your data, simply click on the Export button. This enables you to choose the output format you prefer, such as PDF or Excel, making it easy to integrate the information into reports or presentations. Exporting ensures you can easily share gathered insights with your team or clients and carry the data into other applications for additional analysis or record keeping. There you have it, a straightforward guide through CostMiner's reporting features, providing you with everything you need to create detailed, professional reports quickly and efficiently.